Hey everyone, I'm running Tyler's Uncanny X-Men number 117 punt. Make this official. Time is 2:16 on the 20th of January 2022. 2:16 on Thursday the 20th of January 2022. The list goes to 47, which is Morris, up to 1, which is Craig. Put those in. 57 Morris, up to 1, which is Craig. 3 dice. 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice short one. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more to go. And we're on 4. 2 more to go. Last one. Good luck. Hit up Tyler when you've seen this. Alright, 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. And the winner is Morris. Congrats, mate. Nice win. Alright. Thanks, everybody. Timestamp there is 2:18. 2:18.